Let me ask you a question. Do you believe it's possible to start making money on YouTube from day one, even without being monetized? The goal of this guide is to show you that not only is it possible, but it's also a strategy that anyone can follow. In this guide, I'll walk you through how you can create a brand new YouTube channel from scratch and begin generating income before you hit the traditional milestones of monetization, like 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours. Here's the kicker. You don't need to be a YouTube star, and you don't even need to show your face on camera. Instead, we're going to focus on a strategy called product listicles, a format where you create videos featuring the top products in various categories and generate income through affiliate marketing. We're talking about videos like Top 5 Best Laptops of 2024 or Top 5 Kitchen Gadgets You Can't Live Without. These videos are not only simple to make, but they can start earning money from day one. So if you've been thinking about starting a YouTube channel but are worried about how long it'll take to see a return, this guide is for you. Let's dive into the process, step by step. Step 1. Starting from scratch, creating your channel. Starting from zero can seem daunting, but it's actually one of the most exciting stages of your YouTube journey. In this step, we'll create a new channel from scratch. I'll show you how to come up with a great name, design your channel banner and profile picture, and optimize your channel for success right from the beginning. Choosing your channel name. When creating a new YouTube channel, you'll want a name that's catchy, relevant, and easy to remember. The goal is to create something simple but descriptive of what your channel will be about. Since our focus is on product listicles, we want to choose a name that reflects that. For example, I used an AI tool called Google Gemini to brainstorm names for a channel. If you're struggling to find a name, think about including words like best, top, reviews, or products. These keywords are strong indicators of the content you'll be producing and can help with searchability later. Designing your channel banner and profile picture. Once you've settled on a name, it's time to design the visuals. Your channel banner and profile picture are the first things viewers will see when they visit your channel, so make them count. Using Canva, you can easily design professional-looking graphics for free. For instance, I found a playful banner template that matched the tone of the channel name, Best Things Ever, and simply customized it by changing the colors, adding the channel name, and inserting a tagline like Top Lists of the Best Products Ever. Your profile picture can be a simplified version of your banner. Stick to consistent branding with similar colors and fonts to create a cohesive look. It's essential to create a channel that looks polished and inviting, even if you're just starting out. Step 2. Choosing your first video topic. Choosing the right video topic is critical because it sets the tone for your channel and determines how much traffic you can potentially generate from search engines. For your first video, you'll want to pick a topic that has a large enough audience but isn't oversaturated. This is where keyword research comes in handy. Researching keywords and video ideas. Before creating a video, you need to make sure there's an audience for it. You don't want to spend hours making a video only to have no one watch it. I recommend using a tool like WordStream to conduct your keyword research. WordStream not only shows you how many people are searching for specific terms, but it also provides dozens of related video ideas. For example, after researching the broad category of laptops, I discovered that there's a significant amount of interest in gaming laptops. According to WordStream, the keyword Best Gaming Laptops gets hundreds of thousands of searches per month. This tells me that creating a video on the top 5 best gaming laptops would likely attract a lot of views, narrowing down your niche. Even though broad categories like laptops attract a lot of searches, you'll often find more success by narrowing down your focus. For example, instead of just making a video about best laptops, you could focus on best gaming laptops under $1,000 or best laptops for college students. These specific niches not only have high search volume, but also face less competition, giving your video a better chance of ranking on YouTube and Google search results. Step 3. Creating your video. Now that you've chosen your topic, it's time to create your video. The best part about product listicles is that you don't need to appear on camera or even use your own voice if you don't want to. Thanks to AI tools, you can automate a large portion of the video creation process. Using AI tools to automate video creation. For this step, I use a tool called InVideo AI. It allows you to generate a full YouTube video with minimal effort. After signing up, you simply select a template, input your video topic, and let the AI do the rest. For example, if you're creating a video about the best gaming laptops, you'll input your topic, and InVideo AI will pull relevant content from the web, including product descriptions, pros and cons, and even footage of the products. One of the key features of InVideo AI is the voiceover function. You can choose from a variety of voiceover options, including American, British, or even Australian accents. The AI reads the script, generates the voiceover, and synchronizes it with the video footage, all without you needing to record anything yourself. If you want to make the videos more personal, some AI tools allow you to clone your own voice. This gives the video a more human touch, while still automating the process. Enhancing the visuals. While AI tools are incredibly useful, the visuals they generate sometimes need a bit of tweaking. Make sure you review the footage, replace any grainy or irrelevant images, and add higher quality visuals where necessary. You can find these images by searching for the product on Google Images or downloading videos from the official product pages. Ensure your footage complies with fair use by keeping clips short and using them as part of a larger commentary. Step 4. Optimizing for affiliate marketing. Now that you've created your video, it's time to monetize it. Even if your channel isn't monetized through ads yet, you can still earn money using affiliate marketing. Signing up for affiliate programs. The easiest and most popular affiliate program to get started with is Amazon Associates. You simply sign up for the program and then search for the products you featured in your video on Amazon. Once you find the product, you can generate a unique affiliate link. When viewers click on that link and make a purchase, you earn a commission. For example, in the gaming laptop video, I would search for each laptop featured in the video on Amazon, generate the affiliate links, and add them to the video description. Make sure to clearly label each link so viewers know which product they're clicking on. A pro tip: remind your viewers in the video to check the description for affiliate links so they know where to find them. Earning commissions from additional purchases. Here's an extra perk of Amazon's affiliate program. Even if a viewer clicks your affiliate link but buys something else, you still earn a commission on their purchase. For instance, if someone clicks on your gaming laptop link but ends up buying a camera, you'll still earn a percentage of that sale. This opens up even more earning potential from your YouTube videos. Step 5. Uploading and optimizing your video for views. Your video is complete and your affiliate links are ready, but there's still some work to be done. Now it's time to upload your video to YouTube and optimize it for maximum visibility. Creating click-worthy titles and thumbnails. The title of your video is one of the most important factors in determining whether someone clicks on it. A good title should be clear, descriptive, and contain relevant keywords. For example, if your video is about the best gaming laptops, a title like Top 5 Best Gaming Laptops of 2024 will help you rank in search results. You can also add words like review, comparison, or under $1,000 to further enhance your title. Thumbnails are just as crucial. Use Canva to create eye-catching thumbnails that feature the products in your video. Bright colors, bold text, and high-quality images of the products will make your thumbnail stand out. Be consistent with your branding by using similar colors and fonts in all your thumbnails. Filling out the video description and tags. Your description should include a brief summary of the video and a call to action encouraging viewers to click on your affiliate links. Include your affiliate links early in the description and remind viewers to check them out for the best deals. Don't forget to add tags to your video. These are keywords that help YouTube categorize your content and recommend it to the right audience. Using playlists and end screens. As you continue creating videos, organizing them into playlists will help increase watch time on your channel. Group similar videos together, like Best Tech Products of 2024, to encourage viewers to binge watch your content. Additionally, use YouTube's end screens to promote your other videos, encouraging viewers to stay on your channel longer. Step 6. Tracking your progress and scaling your channel. After your first video goes live, it's time to monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as needed. Checking your analytics. Within 24 to 48 hours, check your YouTube analytics to see how your video is performing. Are people clicking on your affiliate links? Are they watching the entire video or dropping off halfway through? This data will give you valuable insights into what's working and what isn't, so you can optimize future videos. Building consistency. Success on YouTube takes consistency. Set a schedule for yourself to upload regularly, whether it's once a week or several times a week. The more content you have, the better your chances of ranking in search results and attracting subscribers. Expanding your revenue streams. As your channel grows, you'll have the opportunity to expand your revenue streams. In addition to affiliate marketing, you'll eventually qualify for YouTube's partner program, allowing you to earn money through ads. You can also explore sponsorships, where brands pay you to feature their products in your videos. Final thought: starting a YouTube channel and making money from day one is not only possible, but also achievable with the right strategy. By focusing on product listicles, using AI tools to streamline the video creation process, and monetizing through affiliate marketing, you can start generating income before your channel is even monetized by YouTube. Now it's your turn. Get started with your channel today, and in no time, you could be making money with your very first video. Stay consistent, experiment with different types of content, and watch as your channel and income grows over time. Thanks for watching. And if you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video.